Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syarwazri bin Syahrudin, VC20002. Today I'm going to do LAB1, figure 3. So this is the figure 3, top view of IC. So I'm going to do this first. So we make a line. So 10 mm. Now we have 10 mm up for so we have rectangle here. After that we make inside this. So I'm going to do this. I'm using 2 mm. Oh, sorry. I'm using 0.2 mm here, up here, and then 0.2 here, 0.2 here. Alright, so I have like this, and now I'm going to use 0.4. So here, now we have this. Okay, now we use line here, line here, line here, line here. Okay, now we trim. Use trim this, 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 this. Okay, now we have like this. So here we have line here and here. So we use mid. Where's mid? Okay, mid line. So here mid. Okay, now we have midline. So here we have hatch. So now I'm going to use hatch here and here. I'm using this. Now I'm going to get it small. Okay, so now we have like this, like this. Okay. Alright, so we already get this. Now I'm going to do the pin IC. Now for the pin IC, I make right here 0.5, and up here I'm going to use here 1.1, and then go back here. Alright, so we already get 2. Now I'm going to use here 1.27. So I'm going to copy this and make a line here 1.27. Then we already get the line, so I'm going to copy this and put it here. So we already get for this. Now for the line, we are going to use here, here and here, like this, to get this. Now we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So I'm going to copy this Before that, I'm going to copy this first. Back a line. Now copy this here like this. Alright, so we already get here like this. So for now, we are going to put it here. So how we put, first we're going to delete this first, make a line back and put here and put here. Okay, and now we are going to take it back, select move, select middle and put it here. So we already get it. Now we can already delete this and like this. So to put it here, just copy. I'm going to use copy here and put it here. Alright, so we already done for below here like this. Now for up here, I'm going to select this, right, select here, copy and put the base here and then here. I'm going to put it here. Okay, now before that, okay, I'm going to pick it here and move here to here. Alright, now done for up. So for after that, I'm going uh, to make a text. So for the text, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to use text here, 1. So now we can adjust back to get it small. Alright, now it already small like this. Now I'm going to move it here. So we have 4 here, 1, 8, 9, 16. So for that, I'm going to do like this to get it center. Now here, right, for this, I'm going to move back and put it here. So to put the number here, I'm going to copy this, copy the number like this and select the base point here and put it here. So I'm going to change it to number 8. Now done. So I'm going to do the same thing for the up there for the next step. So for here, I'm going to do it to here like this, and like this. So I'm going to copy this number and select the base point here and put here and put here. So I'm going to remove this, just delete or trim here, delete delete and change the number. The number here is 9, and the number for here is 16. So I'm going to adjust here, move a little bit, alright, and put it here. Now delete this. So I already get this. So I'm going to use dimension to check if I got the correct number. Now I have 6.2 mm. To adjust the size, I'm going to use dim style and modify. I'm going to pick fit equal to 0.5. Alright, now yes, so it's already become smaller, and just get it small back, 0.2. Alright, now it's already become small. Now we get 6.02. For here we got 4 mm. Now we use dimension here and here, so we got 4 mm here, like this. So for here we got 0.51. okay, so use dimension here and put it here, so we already get 0.51. And for here we got 1.27. So I'm going to use dimension back, put it here, and here. We got 1.27. So for here to here, I'm going to use dimension 2, like this. Pick this point and this point. We got 10 mm. And here we got pin 1 index area. So for this, I'm going to use this. Select here and then here. And I'm going to write a pin 1 index area. Index area, close. Now it become big, right? So I'm going to use scale to make it small. Alright, like this, and then move back to here. Move. So for this, just pick the arrow point here. So it become bigger. So we already get the pin index area. So I'm going to do a layer for this pin to get it change color. And here we got a width for the line. Okay, so here I'm going to create one layer for pin IC. Blue color. Then I create another one for layer width, layer, big layer here. Then I'm going to use white tool, and then the line weight I'm going to use 1 mm. Okay, so here I'm going to create another one. For this one we got a line like this, so I'm going line, layer, cutting layer, cut layer, cutting layer, and then the animation is default, but the line type I'm going to load like this, 1, 2. So 1 and 2, So I'm going to pick here. We got 1, 2, big. 1, 2, big. Okay, here I'm going to use it here and click OK. Now I'm going to pick it here and here. I'm going to change it to cutting layer, and here the pin, I'm going to select it back and change it to pin IC color. Here we got it like this. Now I'm going to use line back. Right. Alright. So okay. So we got here like this pin IC blue color, and then here also pin IC blue color. Then if you don't get it, just make a line back here like this. Alright, done for pin IC. So for this image we already done. Now we are going to do this for the side view. For the side view, I'm going to do like this. Here the top view line. Alright, from top view line I'm going to here make a straight line from here. Use auto mode to get it straight, and then enter. Select the here, the edge here, and then we got here, and here, put it here like that. Now another line, put it here and here. Alright, so we already get this edge here. Now we are going to look at this. Now here we got the length is 1.75. So we are going to use line, pick another point here, and then write a 1.75. So get it here like this, and then pick here and 1.75 here, and then pick it back. Okay, now for this we are going to do trim here, trim here, trim here, trim here. So we are getting this. So we are going to use dimension. Now we already get 1.75. So for this one 0.01. So the mm is 0.25. So for this we are going to use line 0.25, and then here, so we are going to use trim to trim here and here. Alright, so we get this 0.25. Now for here we are going to get the middle form. Alright, and the center here, and then we got this one and this one. So this one and this one. So I'm going to use these two at here. So here I'm going to use offset. Oh no, just use line. this one can erase back, and then this here trim, so we get it mid here and here the middle. So for here I'm going to use the same 0.25 here, like this and like this. So now we already get this. Now for this one I'm going to take the pin IC back here. So I'm going to pick here and copy it here. Oh, sorry. Here, copy here. Alright, here. Now we can erase this, erase this, erase this, and this. Alright, already get that. So this line already can be deleted. Okay, now inside here also can be deleted too. Like this, like this, like this. This and this delete. So now, so for now we are going to use trim this. Okay, trim this. And this here. Okay, here. Alright, for here now we get like this. So now we are going to make a line from here to here, and then here to here. Okay, we already get this. Now for the middle, I'm going to use the same as back here. Now I'm going to use 0.25. Now like this. Alright, and then this here to here. So I'm getting this. Now after that I'm going to make another line here. So for another line hit there, I'm going to select the midpoint here. For the midpoint here, this one, and then here. So we are getting like this. Now we use trim. And then we make a line. We make a line first. Here to here, and here to here, like this. Here and here, here. Oops, sorry. Here to here. Then we use trim. We trim it here, here. We set here, here. Now for here, we trim here like this, like this. Alright. So for here, So you are getting like this. So now here we got like this. So we are going to use trim back. Trim it here, 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 and delete this. This line can be deleted. Now we are done for here. For here we are done. So we are going to check the dimension back. From here to here is 1.7. 1.7. The dimension for here to here is 0.25 here. So after that we are going to do this. Now we are going to do here like this. Okay, from here we are going to make a line here, make line, and then for the front view we are going to take here the size is here 4. Now we are going to use here the size like this, then here like this, here, and this here like this. Alright, now here, put it here, put it here. Now I'm going to use trace. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to use trim. I'm going to trim this. Alright. After I trim here, I'm going to check first. Here is 1.5 because the dimension here to here is 1.5. Now for here, dimension here to here is 0.25. Alright, now I'm going to use here 0.4 to here because here to here I'm use 0.4 mm, and here to here is 0.2 because I'm using 0.2 here, so it is connected to here, and then I'm going to trim the line that we did not use. Yeah, sorry, trim back. I'm going to make line first to here like this, then line here to here like this, and then line here to here like this, and then line here to meet here to make it hit like this. Okay, now we use trim. Just trim the unused line. Alright, here, 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 and here, 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 and here. So we already removed that line. So here we can move. Now here I'm going to use to make it like this. I'm going to do like this. For like this, I'm going to use 0.25, and then here like this, and then I'm going to use 0.25 also, put it here like this, and then I'm going to use line from here also and click it here, also here to here. Alright, as we can see, from here to here is 1.27, here to here 1.27. Okay, here like this. Now we are going to trim this line because we are not using it anymore. Now here 8 degrees, it say 8 degrees, so we are going to use line. Click here and then put it 8 degrees and then click here, and up here is also the same. Here is the same, so I'm going to use trim back, trim the unused line. Alright, like this. And oh sorry, I'm going to use trim back here and here to here. Alright, so we got like this. So to make it curve like this, I'm going to use a fillet. Alright, fillet, click here, and I'm going to use 0.4 radius. So it become like this. So here to here, also the same as here to here. Oh, sorry. Here to here. Now here to here. Now for, as we can see, here is bigger than this, so I'm going to use smaller than this. Here click 0.2 radius, so you can like this. Now also here is big one, here is smaller one, so I'm going to use, here is bigger one, 0.4. Now it become like this. So we are going to use line. For the line, I'm using circle. Click circle. Wait, I'm going to use circle. Okay. For the circle, I'm going to use cutting layer. Click circle and then pick a base point or midpoint. Alright, I'm going to select here like this. So now we are going to check the dimension. So click here. Here to here is 0.25. Here to here is 0.25. Here to here is 1.27. So dimension here to here is 1.27. Now from here to here is 0.25. Also the same. Now okay. So we already done this. Now for this one, we are going to delete this first and then copy this, use a mirror like here to here, select this first and then use mirror, click here to here and no. Now here to here, I'm going to move it to here, so I getting like this. Oh, sorry, this one. Alright, now we are settled for this. Now for this, I'm going to copy, I select this here, I put it here, Then I'm going to use trim here like this and like this. So remove that, so I'm getting like this. So I'm going to use dimension to check it. 0.25, 0.2, sorry, from oops, from 0. Here is 0.25 also. From here to here is 1.27, and then I already finished this. Now I'm going to select the IC pin plate. So here I'm going to change it to blue color like this. Also blue color. Alright, now for here also the same. And here also the same one. Okay, here is alright. For the pin we got here like this. So for the figure 3, now we are settled. So now we are going to print it as PDF. Go to layout. Now type viewport at command line. Viewport, pick a vertical, a horizontal, and pick here to here like this. Now here zoom. So you can see our IC there. And here I'm going to adjust it first. Alright, I'm going to move it a little bit. Okay, here, and then go to layout 1. Now okay, here zoom it so you can see your drawing. Now here like this, and here move a little bit. Alright, just layout. Now you can see your drawing, my drawing. I can see my drawing. So for here already see. Now I'm going to print it. Go to plot. So select Microsoft Print to PDF, A4 size, extend, center the part, preview first. It's become like this. Now click OK and then save it as figure LAB1. Save. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.